Good morning. Welcome to our E3 Weekly Market Report. Exports have just come out. Let's go to those right now. We have the cotton market, 214,400 running bales, up 27% from the previous week and up 7% from the 4-week average. Turkey took 45,200. China took 34,900. Thailand took 32,100. Cotton was up 3 points just before the report. Right now, December cotton is up 28. Well, March cotton was up 3 points. So let's just look at March. March is down 13 to 14. So a slight sell-off. Looking at beans, 1,418,700 metric tons. That's up 51% from the previous week, but down 23% from the 4-week average. China took 1,687,500. Then we have cancellations. Mexico took 74,500. Vietnam took 72,400. And so the reaction there, beans were up a penny and a half before the report. Right now, beans are up a quarter. So slight sell-off. Corn, 1,661,000 metric tons, up 35% from the previous week, up 47% from the 4-week average. Unknown destinations took 433,800. Japan took 255,000. Dominican Republic took 229,300. Now, corn was up a penny just before the report. Right now, corn is up a penny and a half. Wheat, let's see, 598,400 metric tons. That's down 22% from the previous week. Unknown destinations took 177,000. Philippines took 82,000. Dominican Republic took 60,000. Wheat was up 2.5 just before the report. Now wheat is up 1 3/4. Taking a look at recent news, and forgive me, I'm a little limited here on what I can cover because of my voice. We had in grain, we're wrapping up harvest right now. We're well along completing that. Cotton is 61% harvested. The average this time of the year is 69%. Wheat, 59% good to excellent. 94% of the winter wheat is planted. 84% submerged. As far as grains go, we've been trending down the last 2 weeks, and the market is probably very close to a place where it will find support. I'm getting an alert here on the screen. Cotton is breaking down. We're down 50 right now in December cotton. So even though we seem to have had a pretty good cotton number, the market is starting to sell off, down 62 now. Back to the grain. Expect these markets to find support on this sell-off. Crops pretty much in, and we would think if these levels are slightly lower, you'll find some pretty decent buying in those markets. Cotton, we've pushed up to the upper end of the recent trading range. That's a market that could go higher. There's some talk about a squeeze in December cotton with first notice day coming up at the end of the month. But even if there is a squeeze that could take December up to 73, maybe even 74, it's unlikely March will move up that much. And once first notice day's out of the way, there's a feeling that we'll revisit lower levels. So right now, the trading range among some people is a low of 65 to 67, a high of 72 to 73. So that's really it. One last look at the market. Oh, my goodness. Cotton's down 174 in that short time since I last looked at it. So we are getting hit here in cotton. Soybeans are up a half. Corn's up a penny and a half. Wheat's up a penny and a quarter. We'll keep an eye on cotton and report on that a little later. Have a good day. That's the E3 Weekly Market Report. Thanks.